Okay, so nice to have you again. So I like us to get deeper as regard this conversation of new tax policy and the data compliance. Today I'm talking to the state government, and please, I want you to see how you can try to share this video to get to your state governor. Get to your state governor. The state government should uh, they are the one I'm talking to today. And because I'm doing this because I noticed that many of our state governments are not taking this tax policy thing serious. They don't, seems they don't understand the benefits to the individuals in their states and even to the state government. Because when I look at for now, is the actually Lagos State is doing far better. I see, still trying to see, as well. I mean, checking around, I think Lagos State is really doing great, but other states should do the same. This has nothing, not it has nothing to do with either I mean the either cosmopolitan or it is something that all states should embrace, and this is the reason. Number one, they will remember that the personal income tax is for the states, and the business name tax for the tax for the business name is also for the states. So, and that means that if the state governments can take advantage of this, especially now that even the federal government decide to register 250,000 through the SMEDA, Small Medium and Enterprise Development Agency, 250,000 companies. See, it's nothing to the federal government. Actually, the benefit is even more to the states than those companies, than those people, the business owners. Because for me, all I see in that is capturing. The federal government is trying to capture this set of people for the states. So the state, even I expect the state to even get to it, make noise around it, talk more about it than what the federal government is doing. And even it doesn't even the way the state government is responding, it looks like they don't understand what is there for them. So maybe if we try to explain to them, they will understand. Now, if a business, and you remember that if a business name in a state, if it's a business name that is registered, if it's making 100 million, the tax is going to the state. And this one is not. And now, interestingly, is not the kind of tax that waits till the end of the year. There are deep transactions, and then you can easily get the tax. And then, especially those again that the salaries are 2 million, 3 million, 5 million that are in your state. So you need to take advantage of this and capture. Now, when when you have 250,000 business name registered to the states and more others, I expect the state government to do some things. Number one, I expect the state government now to make tax the thing tax ID available digitally. If they don't, we told some of our staff to get their tax ID, because if you are running a limited liability company, you must have your payroll must be submitted, and then you must have the tax ID of your staff, so that as you pay them salary, they so that they be able to have proper record in their state. So you must have the tax ID which they will get from the state of where they reside. So we asked some of them, and some of them are telling me that okay, they will need to get to the state capital. They will need to go to the secretariat before they can get their tax ID. Come on. I expect the state government to, well, it doesn't cost you anything to have a standard your tax website portal, and let people be able to go there at any time. Let them get their tax ID free, fast, online. It helps you. It helps you to capture, it helps you to collate. So the first thing is to make this accessible, make the portal accessible, let people be able to get their tax ID from anywhere. That's number one. Then the second one is create, for MSMEs, create empowerment projects for MSMEs. Seek out for grants, business support, different forms in different ways for MSMEs. And what we use to connect is the tax ID. And then because once, like I said, once a business is doing well, to pay tax will not be a problem. Have relationship with your business, with your MSMEs in your state, the NMSMEs in your state. Have relationship with them. Is this the best time for state government to relate with business associations? Relate to business associations, know their challenges, and try to provide solutions, because what you're going to get back from them is more than whatever you are giving. And then seek out, there are opportunities outside there that states can go to tap. Talk to UNDP, talk to different NGOs, talk to international organizations, get business support for your people. If the business is doing well, your tax is guaranteed. And again, let embrace the structure that is already that you have from the NRS down to state. Embrace the structure. Put, knowledgeable people in charge of it. Let them work, understand this, and be able to get the right result. You see, right now, we know that this new tax policy is not from the whole. It's not like the tax staff did it. It's the committee was set up. So everything done and brought to the tax body from the federal, the state too. It means they need it means the staff, they need good time. The tax staff need good time to study, to understand. So give them uh, a platform to know, to learn and know the process. And then for example, I mentioned around those companies, even schools that are they deduct tax and they are not remitting, and they are deducting tax. And when that teacher still need something at the state level, is still going to pay another money. So the state government should see to that. The state government should come up with a tax summit, different formats at the local and the state level. See the way that so if anybody is, you see, one, it's a mandatory that every company should have the payroll, and you should have the tax ID of any of their staff, and then see to it that your platform is very effective, that can be able to capture all that. That when I'm paying my staff salary, if is it can be the report can be captured, so that when the staff is to pay a tax, the tax to pay it we will see it. So let there be that kind of approach. Let the state government see the revenue you will generate will be, will be something. But at the same time, like I said, empower the businesses, empower people in your state. I mean, be digitalized a bit. Enough of carrying papers. Let's have a way to maximize digital technology. Let's have a way to maximize technology. Let's use AI to crack some things, get some. It's going to help us at the end of the day. It will reduce stress and give us better return. So I'm appealing to the state governments. Let our governors understand that this is good for us and embrace it, and create platforms, opportunity. Let their platform, let the website, let there be, let people able to sign up anywhere in their state, have them capture, and let there be projects that will support taxpayers. And again, taxpayers want to know what is happening to the taxes. Please, the state, it's clear that you will make money if you do this, but don't just generate revenue to the state without impact on the people, on your people. Please, please. But please, let's really embrace this, because I looked at it. It looks like the state don't understand. If you need, if whatever, I keep saying it. Look, we keep learning. If something is not clear to you, ask a question. You can, for us, for example, I Tech Groomers Africa is registered as a limited liability company. In the real sense of it, actually, if we, if not because as tech startups, it has to be limited. We will register business name because we enjoy far benefits in Lagos State than even the federal. We enjoy the support. For example, the Lagos State Employment Trust Fund is doing a lot for the MSMEs, a lot for even the graduates, young graduates, building, raising more entrepreneurs for the state. So let other states emulate what Lagos State is doing in that regard. If we talk about this tax and the MSME support, Lagos State is, number one for me. So let's embrace that. Lagos State partner with UNDP, partner with GIZ, have series of partnership for MSMEs, creating opportunity for MSMEs, creating platforms for MSMEs. So, there is no way the people, the businesses you say they are not paying tax, there is no way they will not embrace that, because the state is positioning herself in, taking that advantage. So let other states emulate that. Let people be able to get their tax ID anywhere they are in your state, and then think of empowerment projects for MSMEs, for businesses, for individuals, and then you see things working. So please share this. Let this get to your state governor. Let this get to the state government. Let's see. I believe that if they can be able to embrace, we will really have a great nation, because it's having great. It starts from the states. So if we can do better at the state level, we do better at the federal level. Thank you.